Hello? In today's tutorial, we will be cropping photos into these shapes. As you can see, there are various shapes, and as a bonus, we will also be inserting the face of a person into some alphabets. Let's open a page and go to Elements. Type in Frames. Be sure to choose the All button. Click on See All. Let's choose some frames and arrange them on the page. We will now go to Elements again, and this time we will type in Face. Click on Photos. Let's choose this face. Click and hold to drag it into the shape. Make sure it clicks into the shape. You can adjust the position by double-clicking and adjusting it. For this one, we can click on the black ring and change the color on top. When we click the color section pops up. As you can see, Canva displays the colors of the photo we've used. In this case, let's choose this color. You can see that by changing the color, the appearance of the photo also subtly changes. Now let's open another page. Go up to Elements and type in Frames again. This time we are going to choose some alphabets. In this case, we will choose A, M, and Y. Group it by selecting it all and enlarging it. Now, we will go back and use the same face to insert it into these frames. You may have to adjust the view so that we can see how much to enlarge the image to fit it into all three of the alphabets. Double-click the image to ensure that it covers the three alphabets. Now, we will insert the face into the other two. Each time, we will double-click it to enlarge it. Make sure that it aligns with the image in the first alphabet. This is to make sure that the final product will look as if it's just one image of a face and not three images. Select it all to group it so we can enlarge it. You can see, it does not have a border. But in this, we have given it a border. Let's do that for this. Click the letter A and click on the line style at the top. We can change the border weight, change it to the thickness that you want. This looks good. Now let's click on the border color. The color section comes up and we can choose the color we want. Do the same for the second and the third. Or you can leave the third one without a border. Let's have a look at what we've created. If you liked this, please do like, share, and subscribe for more animation and style tutorials.